So basically, AI factories is a innovative idea to be able to communicate and spread all the knowledge that we're doing in research. In this case, in Destination Earth simulation, which can be climate or extreme scenarios, um, down to the small and medium companies, but also to public institutions. So the Destination Earth simulations are very high resolution, which provide also is very interesting fine-grained information for a variety of sectors. For example, the energy sector, which a windmill farm in a specific spot can have different conditions from another windmill farm just 1 or 2 kilometers away. And while lower resolution models will not give much value in this use case, very high resolutions like Destination Earth could, and spreading this information through the AI factories to possible interested users is a very important idea.
So predicting the weather at high resolution is, of course, very important. It gives us better and more accurate forecasts. Everybody wants it, but with traditional method, it's very expensive to run. And this is why data-driven methods give us good opportunities to run these forecasts for cheaper. This comes, of course, with many challenges, and there is a great thing about Anemoy that there is a huge community supporting it, so we are able to divide and conquer the different challenges that come our way.